Welcome back everyone to English Wings. We are going to discuss the NCERT solutions of the sound of music. The chapter has been explained in the previous two videos. Please do check out the part 1 and part 2 of the sound of music. The first question: what was Evelyn when she went to the Royal Academy of Music? Evelyn was 17 years old when she went to the Royal Academy of Music. तो उसकी एज 17 years थी. Second, when was her deafness first noticed? When was it confirmed? तो उसके deafness को कब first notice किया गया और कब confirm किया गया? Her deafness was first noticed when she was 8 years old. That means उसको born के साथ ही recognize नहीं किया गया था that she was deaf. But it was confirmed when she was 11. Next, who helped her to continue with music? What did he do and say? Percussionist Ron Forbes helped Evelyn to continue with music. तो percussionist जो Ron Forbes थे उन्होंने help किया था Evelyn को music continue करने के लिए. Percussionist की meaning I have explained in the part 1 of this chapter. He began by tuning two large drums to different notes and said, "Don't listen to your ears, try to sense it some other way." तो अपनी ईयर्स से सुनने की ट्राई मत करो, ट्राई टू सेंस इट सम अदर वे, मतलब अपने बाकी पार्ट्स को यूज़ करके म्यूज़िक को सेंस करने की कोशिश करो. नेक्स्ट, नेम द वेरियस प्लेसेस एंड कॉजेज फॉर विच एवलिन परफॉर्म्स. एवलिन परफॉर्म्स एट रेगुलर कंसर्ट्स. She also gives free concerts in prisons and hospitals. She also gives high priority to classes for young musicians. तो उसने रेगुलर कंसर्ट्स काफ़ी जगहों पर दिए हैं, प्रिजन्स में, हॉस्पिटल्स में, और यंग प्रिजनर्स को, यंग म्यूजिशियंस को सिखाने के लिए भी उसने काफ़ी सारे कॉन्सर्ट्स उन्होंने किए हुए हैं. नेक्स्ट, हाउ डज एवलिन हियर म्यूजिक? एवलिन हियर म्यूजिक by sensing the notes in different part of her body. Ron Forbes, her trainer, turns two drums to different notes and asks her not to listen it through her ears but sense it some other way. उन्होंने कहा कि तुम अपनी ईयर्स से सुनने की ट्राई मत करो, अपने दूसरे पार्ट्स को ट्राई करो. देन शी रियलाइजेज दैट शी कुड फील द हायर ड्रम फ्रॉम वेस्ट अप एंड द लोअर ड्रम फ्रॉम द वेस्ट डाउन. और इस तरीके से उसने रियलाइज़ किया कि वो हायर ड्रम को अपने अपर पार्ट से फील करती है एंड द लोअर ड्रम वेस्ट डाउन. She learns how to open her mind and body to sounds and vibration. और इस तरह से उसने अपनी बॉडी और माइंड को इतना ओपन कर लिया कि उन्होंने अपने म्यूज़िक को फील करना शुरू कर दिया. Repeating the same exercise with Forbes, Evelyn started discovering that she can sense some certain notes in different part of her body. When she plays the xylophone, she can sense the sound passing up the stick into her fingertip. तो एग्जाम्पल के लिए उन्होंने बताया कि जाइलोफोन जब वो प्ले करती थी तो उन्होंने स्टार्ट किया उस वाइब्रेशन को अपने फिंगर्स में फील करना. By leaning against the drum, she can feel the resonances flowing into her body. On a wooden platform, she removed her shoes so that the vibration passed through her bare feet and up her legs. तो जब भी वो वुडन प्लेटफॉर्म पर प्ले करने जाती थी तो शी यूज टू रिमूव हर शूज सो दैट शी कैन फील द वाइब्रेशंस थ्रू हर बेयर फीट. She says that music pours in through every part of her body because she was becoming used to feel the music through her body part. So she understood that music is in her every part of her body. It tingles in the skin. उनके स्किन में टिंगल करता है, her cheekbones and even in her hair. Next, why did Aurangzeb ban the playing of the pungi? Aurangzeb banned the playing of musical instrument pungi because it had a shrill and unpleasant sound. उसके sound और shrillness के कारण औरंगजेब ने उसे बैन कर दिया था. Next, how was Shehnai different from a pungi? Shehnai is an improved version of pungi as it has better tonal quality than pungi. It is a natural hollow stem pipe that is longer and broader than a pungi. It has several holes on the body of the pipe. तो वो उसका ही इम्प्रूव्ड वर्जन है जिसके एक नेचुरल हॉलो स्टेम होता है और काफ़ी ज़्यादा लॉन्ग एंड ब्रॉडर होता है और उसमें 7 होल्स भी दिए गए. नेक्स्ट, where was the Shehnai played traditionally? How did Bismillah Khan change this? Shehnai was traditionally played in royal courts, temples and wedding. इन जगहों पर प्ले किए जाते थे, लेकिन उस्ताद बिस्मिल्लाह खान changed the tradition by bringing this instrument onto the classical stage. लेकिन उन्होंने इसे national level पे classical stage पर represent किया. Next, when and how did Bismillah Khan get his big break? उन्हें वो big break, that means the famous वो होना कब start हुए? Bismillah Khan got his big break in 1938 when he played Shehnai on radio on the occasion of opening of All India Radio (AIR) in Lucknow. Soon he he became an often heard player on radio. और इस तरह से वो काफ़ी लोगों तक पहुंचना शुरू हो गया उनका म्यूज़िक. Next, where did Bismillah Khan play the Sehnai on 15 August 1947? Why was the event historic? On 15 August 1947, Bismillah Khan played Sehnai at the Red Fort. The event was historical because India got independence from the British rule on that day. तो वो day historic है. Every child know that we got the independence from British rule on 15 August 1947. Next, why did Bismillah Khan refuse to start a Shehnai school in the USA? Bismillah Khan was in love with Banaras and the Ganga flowing there. He used to get inspiration from the ambience of numerous ghats in Varanasi. He knew that he won't be able to get that ambience in the USA. So he refused to start a Shehnai school in the USA. तो वो बनारस and उस river से इतना connected थे that he thought that he wouldn't get that vibe, that ambience in USA. So he refused the offer. Next, find at least 2 instances in the text which tell you that Bismillah Khan loves India and Banaras. So Bismillah Khan loves India and Banaras much. He says that when he is in Mumbai, he thinks of Varanasi and the Holy Ganga. When he is in a foreign land, he keeps desiring to see Hindustan. तो जब वो फॉरेन जाता है तो ही थिंक्स ऑफ हिंदुस्तान. व्हेन ही इज इन मुंबई ही थिंक्स ऑफ वाराणसी एंड होली गंगा. दैट मीन्स इट शोज दैट हाउ मच ही इज कनेक्टेड टू हिज लैंड. उनका जो प्यार था अपने कंट्री के लिए, अपने एक प्लेस के लिए, अपने सिटी के लिए, अपने एक ट्रेडिशन के लिए, दैट शोज हिज लव. So if you all like the explanation, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.